If the user selects the Inventory button, then 9 options are displayed. The first of these covers the inquiries. The inquiries consist of 2 separate inquiries. The first of these is the item inquiry, providing the user with details of the stock locations of a selected item. The second is the location inquiry, displaying the stock points of all items in a given location. The second option on the main screen is the inventory transfer. This allows goods to be transferred either within a warehouse or between warehouses. We then have the cycle count transaction, allowing counts to be entered against an existing cycle count order. We then have the physical inventory transaction, allowing data to be stored against an existing cycle count order. We then have print item labels, allowing labels to be printed for items, serial numbers, or lot numbers. We then have the global transfer transaction, allowing all goods in a given location to be transferred to another location within the same warehouse. We then have the inventory adjustment. This allows existing stock to be adjusted either positively or negatively. We then have the inventory write-off, allowing existing stock to be written off from a given stock point. And finally, the inventory write-on, allowing stock to be increased at an existing stock point.